She just broke the windshield of her neighbor's car and then did this.
Come on. Stop.
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 Oh. Oh. Hi. Cars.
A golpear la puerta, ya la puerta. Y yo me cansé porque él vino ayer porque íbamos a ir a lavar y pues iba para no llevar la ropa a su casa y la ahí. Entonces cuando miró que venían empezó su verbal, pero yo le dije no le hagas caso, ella así anda siempre aventando puertas y todo y gritando como loca. Pero llega el momento que la gente se cansa y lo que hizo él movió la troca y cuando él iba pues le sacó el dedo porque de tanta cosa que le hizo.
Yo no hablo español, no hablo inglés, pero sí más o menos le entiendo lo que
entonces ella se arrimó para allá y empezó a gritarle a él, le empezó a decir muchas cosas y yo ya me salí para afuera y le dije what is your problem? Y empezó a gritar y decir dijo que motherfuckers y que get out of my country, que así como comentarios racistas. Y ella habla español, yo no sé, escucha música porque no podemos cuando ella está hablando, no sé si tiene al hispano, no sé. Y me hizo enojar y yo le dije, I'm tired of you, le dije, you always do that, le dije, get alive, ya déjanos en paz, le dije, nosotros no te molestamos, no te hacemos nada, what is your problem? Yo sí, nada. Y luego me dijo, ya me empezó a decir muchas cosas que mira, yo no le entendí tantas cosas que me dijo y yo estaba enojada y ya después se salió y me dijo, vente, vamos a pelear. Imagínense, yo estoy embarazada y yo le dije, ok, le dije, I'm here, what do you want? Así. Ahorita que fuimos a la tienda, llegamos y encontramos una camioneta estrellada de esa basura ahí, tenía, mira donde ahí le golpearon a miren, mi vidrio estaba aquí estrellado, ya se estrelló hasta allá, miren.
¿Cómo es esto tenía?
Ya, del trancazo se estrelló hasta allá y luego le puso eso y me puso un brasier por aquí, un brasier que me puso un brasier aquí en el troca. Ahí está, miren.
¿Ella tiene carro? No.
Carro.
¿Sabe cómo se llama ella?
No me acuerdo cómo se llama, sí me dijo una vez su nombre, pero yo no me acuerdo cuál era porque hace mucho tiempo fue.
You want me to go talk to her? Or you want me to go talk to her?
Y ahorita que yo estaba ahorita que yo estaba tomando fotos se oía muchos golpes allá.
¿Es el carro de ustedes este?
Sí. Y ahorita que estaba tomando las fotos, yo creo que se oían muchos ruidos.
¿Usted miró que ella le quebró el vidrio?
No, yo no lo miré, pero sabe que un morenito pasó por aquí y me dijo que ella andaba aquí y lo había volteado todos los carros, esos los volteó así, ya los acomodó, porque mire, por eso una mujer, ya estaban volteados esos carros. Y dijo el muchacho, dijo el morenito que pasó por aquí porque iba caminando, dijo que la había visto ella que andaba ahí tirando todas las batas de basura y lo había...
¿Cómo se llama usted, señora?
Janet Solorzano.
This is what the woman said about her actions.
It's not really harrowing. She's doing things, but not quite at me. So I just want to know what's going on. That's all I want to know.
We can't really hear you, ma'am. Can you speak a little louder or come closer?
Oh, yeah.
We're just trying to figure out what's going on.
Be careful with all the glass.
Yeah. What's that?
How many times do you want to talk to me? Let me know, pellet. And wash your hands. You know, ask for a stigmata, but Jesus Christ, no. I've been doing this for 14 years and hello.
Oh, wow.
And I'm busy. And he told me to suck his when I'm working graveyards. I haven't slept for a long time.
I will message her back and see if I can verify it. If you want,
Is there anything we can do to help you?
I don't want to kill them. I don't want to kill nobody. I want to go to Pennsylvania and drop me off in the woods.
What's your name?
What's your name?
You said Rebecca?
Rebecca Green. Oh, betrayal. All the way.
He's definitely crazy. What's your birthday?
585 534 528 0866.
How old are you?
37.
37? Rebecca Marie? Do you speak Spanish? ¿Sí? ¿De dónde eres? ¿De aquí? Where are you from?
Guys, I already know.
Got a Ferguson call from 6:15.
She's definitely 6300.
Having found a ship crossing the.
I don't think we're going to get anything off of her.
No, and I really don't want her to
Yeah.
start doing crap to me.
Let me go look her up. Maybe she's got a warrant? I mean, short solution?
And we can.
You good with that?
Because everybody likes fun.
Yeah.
All right. I would just probably just stand out here.
It was then when she completely lost control and decided to hurt the officers.
Hey, Rebecca?
She grabbed that thing and just threw it out. She grabbed those two.
Rebecca?
I'm gonna shoot you.
Hey.
Hey, Rebecca.
Rebecca. Rebecca.
Watch me.
Hey,
Come on. Stop.
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 Oh.
You got 133, can you start with supervisor?
Iron's gone. What a
Dispatch for supervisor 3007 East OC 133. Are you 10-4?
10-4, one in custody.
Come on, wait my face, man.
Oh, you're good.
30. I can head over there.
Keep her here, I'm gonna check her.
Yeah.
10-4, thank you.
Just watch your face.
Yeah.
I don't want her to bite me. Okay, turn this way.
I'm lion. Oh yeah.
Try and put the She's alright.
Yeah.
She just didn't like me grabbing her. Can we roll her?
Yeah, I'll just
We'll just stand her up. I just
Let
got
me lock him.
Come here, I can grab you. Your kids. Tell me my dream. Everybody.
Oh.
Nope.
Hey, can we stand you up?
Get back.
Hey,
Back the up.
Get back.
Rebecca, can we stand you up? Rebecca, can we stand you up?
Can you back up and I can stand up and roll over myself? Yes.
Yeah. Let's go to my car so we can talk.
Back up. Get off of me.
Oh.
No,
33, 10-4, 33.
Ready? I'm gonna roll her. Grab her leg. Roll over. Roll over. Kick your knee up to the side. Stand up.
We're probably gonna need the rat.
Is she gonna get up or not?
Can we get you up?
Are you gonna stand up or not? Yeah, stand up. Okay, I'm gonna stand you up. This is the last chance you're gonna get to stand up.
33, 7, 133.
Jesus Christ. I got married.
133.
133.
Because Illuminati.
633. You want me over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, we could probably use them.
Faith is strong against.
Midnight?
Tell if you want to head this way, that would be great. Right, come across?
Yeah, I just lowered it.
33, 24. So I'm in shirt.
Okay.
I got this.
You want to try one more time, and if not,
Yeah.
we'll just fucking leave her here until we get her. Hey, Rebecca, listen to me. I'm going to stand you up, okay? Do not kick. Just stand up. Can we do that? Okay, come on.
Because I'm crazy.
Hey, take your car or my car? I will take my car. Have a seat.
I've been busy. I'm so busy.
Have a seat.
Sit.
Come on.
Rebecca?
Let's go for a ride.
On my face.
Let's go for a ride. Come on. Thank you very much.
She was definitely not okay, so the officers called for EMS to check on her.
Hey, Rebecca. Are you okay? Do you need EMS? What's up? Yes, sir. Yeah,
Those people them keep having this dog loose. I have a little poodle,
yeah,
and on the 9th of this month,
yeah.
He tried. Look, I grabbed my poodle up here. He jumped on me 4 times, tried to grab my poodle.
Do you need ammo?
I was just coming out with my dog, and he was here, and he.
Do you need animal control out here?
Look, I called them before,
Uh-huh.
and nobody showed up.
It usually takes a while, and the reason behind that is they got like 1 unit throughout the whole city, so they usually got to go to different sides of the city, so it takes a while to get here. Yeah. I got EMS coming for her mouth. That way we could. Let me go see if I can find ID in there. That way we can pull the ID here. All right. Hey, I'm trying.
If you're not from America,
Hey, I'm trying to help you.
I've been busy.
I'm just gonna go there and get it. I'm sure we are.
Okay.
So that's why I wanted to keep her in here. Rebecca. Rebecca. Hey, can you show them your face? Come on. What is it?
She can keep her baby because I've been screwing everything here. Can you write?
What's your birthday?
Everybody from Mexico, go back to Mexico. If you are from Honduras,
Hey.
you're crazy, you're crazy, you're crazy. Get out of here.